What is up, YouTube? What is up, you guys? And welcome if you guys are new around here. This is one of my favorite days of the week, which is Motivational Monday if you guys are new around here, where I actually have the opportunity to actually give back to you guys, you know, whether that's tips through YouTube or whatever else I can do to answer questions and help you guys grow. If you guys really like this content, make sure to comment down below your guys' channels, what you guys are excited for, what you're excited to start these channels, and what you guys want your channels to be about. So if you guys are excited for this video, make sure to smash that like button and let's get right into this video. So this is going to be kind of going off of what we were talking about a little bit last week about having good titles and some good descriptions, good thumbnails, and we're going to be really talking about tags. This is something that I don't see utilized a lot by any YouTuber, and I think it's really crucial, and it's something that can literally be getting you 5 views, upwards of getting 50, 500, 5,000 views. This is something that can really change your guys' channels. Let's start off with the titles. Let's start off with the actual thumbnails. Like I've talked about before, thumbnails, titles, your channel, it's kind of like a storefront. If you think about it, you're kind of selling yourself, you're kind of selling the videos. And while, you know, clickbait has kind of become this negative thing, it's honestly something you guys have to do. I'm not saying completely lie to your audience or your potential viewers, but I'm saying you need to really intrigue them, kind of throw the line and then reel them in with that video. What I mean by this is if you guys just have, say, you just have a post-it note, and this post-it note is just a yellow image that is your thumbnail, you're not going to be intrigued whatsoever. But if you write on that post-it note, make sure to subscribe, you guys are going to be a lot more excited about this video. Same thing goes with the actual title of the video. This is kind of like what you're selling. A lot of people were looking a lot at these thumbnails first, but we're also looking at the title of the video. If the thumbnail shows some really crazy Lamborghini Huracan, but the thumbnail says, how I got ran over by a chicken, they're not going to really go hand in hand, and you want to make sure that they're going hand in hand. So with that being said, make sure to have exciting thumbnails and exciting names for the videos and titles. With that being said, we're going to be going into the description. Think of the description as actually describing what's happening in your video. You know, if you guys are doing a gaming video, if you're doing a content on, you know, what are the 5 best footballs to play with, or what are the 5 best cars that you love, make sure to write that down in the description as well. Another important thing is the fact of keyword. For example, we're going to take a look at some of my videos and what I actually do and what I can use, which is one of my favorite applications called TubeBuddy, to actually get recommendations for tags, and it kind of takes a lot of the stress out of it. So let's go to my computer and let's look at that. Okay, so I mean, this is what my YouTube channel looks like from my point of view. I mean, just as much as if you guys had a channel, how your guys' channel would look. You can see my videos and everything. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to manage videos if you want to add tags to an existing one. Then we're just going to pick, say, our latest video. Make sure to watch it if you guys want to see some C8 Corvette Easter eggs. And you can see I have a title. I'm talking about the C8 Corvette, or the 2020. I should have C8 Corvette. That would probably help the video a little bit out. So let's add that in. So we're going to have the 2020 C8 Corvette Easter eggs. I'm also going to have thanks for watching this video. I have my own little thing down here. And I also have the title in the description. That's something that I'll talk about a little bit later. So going down to the tags, because I kind of described that, hey, this is, you know, I have some hashtags that this is the C8 Corvette, this is Chevy. This is something that we can click and get some other views similar to that. I also have this in a playlist, which I think is actually important. You know, makes it a little bit more binge-worthy, that whether people want to watch stuff about news that I have or about the C8 Corvette, this is all talking about the same stuff. Makes it a little bit easier to watch only that content. I'm going to have the thumbnail right here, and you can see I do have some TubeBuddy stuff, as I mentioned before. It's a really useful tool, and then it has all the tags. So as I was talking about, tags kind of add to it, and it kind of helps whether you're searching for something specific. For example, if you want to, you know, the Corvette C8, the Corvette C8, or the 2020 Z06, this is stuff, all that could be, you know, you could look at, and it's very similar to this. And to kind of get into the why I use TubeBuddy, it's actually down here, which is the main reason. You know, you could be thinking about, hey, I just have the title of the name of the 2020 C8 Corvette Easter eggs, and you're like, I'm not really sure what a tag is or what a great tag could be for this. And this is telling you that maybe based off of search traffic, for example. So with search traffic, it's basically saying that, you know, we've had some people follow this from the 2020 C8 or 2020 Corvette, and we can kind of give us some more of an insight of why I should use some tags. This is a really useful tool. I do pay for it, but I think it's something that if you guys are serious about growing and you guys have the opportunity to spend the money on, I think it's definitely worth it. Now the other part of TubeBuddy that I think is actually really useful, and why the fact that having, I think, the name in the description of the video is really useful, is actually for the videos itself, and I'm going to show you that in just 1 second. So you can see, as I choose this video, the 2020 C8 Easter egg video, it kind of gives me a ranking, grade, you know, where I am. It gives me an estimated monthly revenue. I don't earn any revenue until I hit 1,000 subscribers, but you can also see there's those tags that I just pointed out. A little bit farther below, it's telling me what my SEO score is, which is search engine optimization. This is something that could be, like I said, it could be something that's really crazy and in depth, or you guys could take it really generically as use keywords, and that's what people find your content on. You can also see that I have some ranked keywords or ranked tags. This is something that if you guys are serious about getting into that, this is something that could really help you guys. You can see that I thought that I liked stuff, so make sure to like and heart everything. So we're gonna go through and do that. Alright, now that's all we have for this one today. Now I was really excited about this video. I hope you guys are really excited as well. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new around here. Make sure to share this with your friends and with your family. That's all we have for this one. So you guys have a great day.